The InStitches carpet replacement kit process is simple and designed to provide our craftsmen with an accurate template of your boat. During the next few minutes, we will take you step by step through the procedure. Everything you need to provide us for an accurate measurement of your boat is supplied. Open the plastic sheet package. This sheet is larger than the total interior of your boat. Fold the plastic sheet in half. Then mark the center point at the fold with a piece of tape or cut a slit at the fold. At the bow, front of the carpet area, measure and mark the center of the width. Place the center mark on the plastic sheet on the center mark on the floor. Allow 1/2 inch of plastic beyond the front carpet border area. This 1/2 inch is needed to provide an accurate template. This plastic sheet provides the model for the carpet cutter to produce an accurate and well-fitting replacement carpet. Once the center and front is securely taped down, slowly move rearward. Carefully spread the plastic to both sides. As you move aft, carefully trim away excess plastic, always leaving a couple of inches border around the outside area. This will allow the plastic to lie flat and still leave a bit extra to ensure a proper measurement later on. As you go, tape the plastic sheet down every few inches. Moving into areas with seats, tables, and other obstacles. If you desire carpeting under your seats, carefully align the plastic sheet, then slice it to encircle the seat mounts. Continue this process around the stern areas. Again, leave the 2 inches or so extra along the edges. As you go, tape down the plastic to prevent it from sliding. Again, the supplied plastic sheet is rough cut to fit your size and type of boat. Again, should you make a mistake and over trim, you can add back a piece of plastic. Our designers will see the addition and allow for the adjustment. Again, tape down the plastic as you fit it to size to keep it from slipping or changing position. Always be careful not to over-trim the plastic sheet. If you make a mistake and over-trim, you can always tape an additional sheet of plastic to the template, but it's best to be patient and take your time. Cut notches out to secure the tape directly to the floor, smoothing any wrinkles along the way. Next, you will mark the boundaries of the plastic template for final trimming. A 1/2 inch piece of wood is included in your kit. As you can see, the wood is used to allow for the carpet to be trimmed around this floor vent. Slowly move the wood around the fixture and draw short lines on the plastic. You will create a perfect circle. Locker lids are done the same way. Place the wood on the outside edge and mark the plastic all around the outside area. Repeat the process on the inside of the locker lid. 1/2 inch border from the inside of the lid area. Carefully free draw the rounded corners. Moving around the interior walls again, carefully mark the 1/2 inch clearance. Carefully free draw the inside corners, leaving the 1/2 inch clearance. Continue the marking around the entire interior of the boat every foot or so. Create a connect the dots pattern along the entire interior. The same process around any fittings on the deck. Allow 1/2 clearance around the fixture. Again, the same procedure around seat pedestals or other accessory mounts. 1/2 inch clearance. Mark each locker lid, table base, and any other cutout that will need to be produced. Mark every piece, front and back. Also, write your name, address, phone number, and email address somewhere on the plastic sheet, just in case. Before moving on, carefully check the entire deck to be sure that you have marked every area that requires a cutout or trim. Once the plastic has been moved, it is very difficult to get it back exactly the way it was should you have to do a redo or change a measurement. Once all the marking is complete, lay the plastic on a table and carefully join all the outside edge marks. Use a yardstick or other straight edge to create clean lines. At rounded corners, use the enclosed rounded edge to create a smooth curve. Then carefully cut along the outside lines. Every table base, locker lid, equipment, accessory mount must be carefully cut out and clearly identified. Locker lids, table bases, and so on. Mark everything front and back. Once all the trimming and cutting is complete, place the plastic sheet back in the boat and check for fit, including all deck plate and locker lid cutouts. If it all fits, you're done.